Hi, and welcome to another one and done here with Mr. Besh. We're going to look at today another Keystone sample question, and what it's asking me to do here is choose which of these linear equations here in slope-intercept form matches this function table that we have here for the following x and y values. And two types of ways these questions can go. The first thing that I look at is each equation and each slope. Because the slopes are all unique, that means that this question's a little bit easier than it would be if two of the slopes were the same, if we had pairs, because then you'd have to do something with the points at the end. Because all you need to do is identify what the slope of the equation is here, and you have a function table, this is a pretty simple task. What you have is you have 5 ordered pairs, 2 and 10, 6 and 25, 14 and 55, 26 and 100, and 34 and 130. I always recommend the students choose the smallest of the values. And what you need to do is we need to find the slope. You calculate the slope by using 2 points from a function table or from a graph or whatever you're using. And the 2 points I would be using, or 2 ordered pairs, would be 2 and 10 and 6 and 25. Now what we do is we take our slope formula here, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we substitute our values. Our first ordered pair, whatever one we had first in our lineup, the x value becomes x1 and the y value becomes y1. Vice versa, the second point we see, the x value becomes x2 and the y value becomes y2. So when we plug them into the formula, 25 minus 10 on top becomes 15. On the bottom, 6 minus 2 becomes 4. So my slope is 15 over 4, or simplified would be 3 3/4. As a decimal also, it's 3.75. And if I take a look at my equations here, bam, only one of them has a slope, being 3.75. Remember, when your equation is in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. The term in front of x is always your slope, and the value afterwards is where your line intersects your y-axis, also known as your y-intercept. So then this was pretty basic. This absolutely eliminated 3 of my choices, A, C, and D, and B would be my correct answer. And that's how you find an equation from a function table. I hope you found this video both helpful and informative.